Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Doctor. Today I'll show you how to turn off Digital Creator in Facebook. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. You'll land on the Facebook home screen where you can see all the posts and content of friends and pages you follow. Now, go to the menu by tapping on the menu icon at the top right corner of the screen. After that, go to your profile page from the first option. Here, you can see that you are a digital creator. Now, to deactivate the digital creator option, tap on the three dot right beside the Add to Story button below the profile page. Here you can find the Turn Off Professional Mode option. Tap on it, and after that, tap on the Continue button at the bottom. Now, go back to your profile page and refresh the page again. Now you can see that the digital creator has been removed from your profile. And that's how you remove the digital creator from the Facebook profile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to Digital Doctor for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.